And my pancakes are ready. My bacon is ready. Are a good sign. That means your pancakes are really coming out well. At this point, we'll just putting all the bacons into this. Listen to the sound. I love this. I am planning to make it even more beautiful by we have to pull in or suck in our cheekbones like this. Oh, hi, good morning. It's a really beautiful morning. And I am planning to make it even more beautiful by cooking a really good breakfast today. And I don't want to waste too much time in the kitchen, so I'm going to make something which is really quick, and I hope even you would want to see what is that thing which I can make so quickly. So let's go to the kitchen and make some pancakes with fried bacon and scrambled eggs with mangoes. I'll be making pancakes, so for that I have taken a cup of all-purpose flour. So take 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar I have added to this, 1 small teaspoon of salt, and we will break an egg into this. If you do not want egg, you can even add yogurt in place of egg. 2-3 teaspoons of butter. Add baking soda to this, just a pinch. Do not add too much baking soda, because what happens is it starts tasting really bad. So whisk all this together, bring everything together like this, and little by little keep adding milk to this. So we have been whisking this for 2 minutes, and see, look at this, there are no lumps in this and it has become really smooth. So this is the consistency we are looking for, and we'll be keeping this aside for a few minutes because we have added baking soda. We are wanting it to rise a little, so it will have a good consistency when we start pouring it into pancakes. I'll be making scrambled eggs. For that I will break open 2 eggs into a bowl and I'll whisk it. To this I will add a teaspoon of salt, a bit of oregano. So oregano always gives a very good taste to scrambled eggs, and I really love eating it that way. So let's whisk this quickly and make it very fluffy. Some people even add milk to this, but today I won't be adding. I'll just whisk it quickly. I'm whisking the eggs. So now see, whenever you make scrambled eggs, always remember the eggs should look white in color. It should not become brown, so don't over fry it. It should look really fluffy and cute. I really love scrambled eggs. The eggs which I like is more of scrambled rather than omelette or boiled eggs or some other form of eggs. So scrambled eggs is my favorite. Be adding 2 tablespoons of oil to this, and I'll add all the eggs which I just whisked into this. We will scramble it together with the help of a fork. Now see, look at this. The eggs should look very juicy like this, and it should be a little wet in consistency rather than, it should not look very fried kind of, and you should just see, look at the eggs, it is not turned brown, it is just white in color. It should look like those yellow popcorns. So yes, our eggs are done. We will just put a little bit of pepper on it. Look at this beauty, it's looking so gorgeous. Hey, look at this, our scrambled eggs are ready and they're looking so beautiful. I have added a bit of chopped parsley to this. You can add coriander leaves or chopped parsley to this. It tastes really beautiful, it tastes really good. So now I'll show you how to fry bacons, because I'm going to even have that. Putting all the bacons into this pan, and they are frying away. Look at the sound. Listen to the sound. I love this. You can sprinkle a little bit of pepper on top of this. And we will also add a little sprinkle of salt. To get a perfect glowing face and tighten muscles of the face, more than going to the salon and doing facial massages, we also need to do some facial yoga. So today I'll teach you how to do this. So we have 40 muscles on our face, so we need to tighten them all so that we get a glowing and a proper chiseled face. So for this we have to first do a breathing exercise which goes like this. We have to raise our eyebrows, open our eyes wide open and breathe out like this. This we have to do 20 times, and the next exercise would be like this. We have to suck in our cheekbones like this, like a fish, and raise our eyebrows, smile a bit, now as we keep our face in that position, we have to take both our thumbs like this we have to do this 20 times. So do this exercise 20 times, all this one after the other, which as I showed you right now. So we have to do this 20 times in a day, not the whole day, 20 times just for that particular moment, okay? And then we have to do it only thrice a week. So this will help your facial muscles to be toned, tightened, and all the lymphatic drainage will happen with this exercise. So it will bring a beautiful glow to your face. You will have a nice jawline, beautiful chin, and the eyebrows will be tightened. It will always be, raised above because of all the exercise which you are doing, and this will help your under eye. The puffiness of eye which certain people get under the eyes will be toned down, and you will get a beautiful glowing face with a youthful look. So go for it, do it, and let me know how do you feel about it. Now over the stove we have kept a pan to heat. So let the pan heat very well. So it has been heated, and look at this, our batter is looking so beautiful. So look at the pouring consistency, it's looking so smooth. So there shouldn't be any lumps in this, and it should be really smooth. Now just add a ladle of it over the pan and let it cook. And while it is cooking, you have to slow your flame of the gas of the stove and let it cook in slow flame. Look at the bubbles which are coming up. This is what you have to look out for. These bubbles are a good sign. That means your pancakes are really coming out well. At this point, we'll just turn our pancakes upside down and cook it a little on the other side too. Now we'll remove it to our plate. Now we'll cook one more. And my pancakes are ready. My bacon is ready. My scrambled eggs are ready. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of pepper on my bacon. So my breakfast is ready, and even I'm ready to eat it. So I'll be putting a little bit of butter to my pancakes and a little bit, I've already added some mangoes, chopped mangoes. You can top it with any fruit which is available. So I'll be drizzling some honey to it. Look at this. Oh wow, this looks amazing. I love this. And I'll put a little bit of those yummy scrambled eggs which I just made, and the bacon is already in my plate. I've already kept it in my plate because I'm so hungry. A little bit of pancakes, a little bit of mango, and a brush of butter and some scrambled eggs all put together. I love this. The taste of the sweet honeyed pancakes along with mangoes and buttery taste along with these salty scrambled eggs are really tasting very well, yeah. Amazing. As I enjoy my breakfast, you too make a plan to make a similar breakfast for yourself and for your family. Enjoy yourself. Happy eating.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.